Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to clear Safari cache on macOS and also how to remove saved website passwords if that's what you need. If Safari has been feeling slow, websites are not loading properly, or pages look outdated even after refreshing, clearing the cache is one of the easiest ways to fix it. Safari stores temporary website files like images, scripts, and page data so sites can load faster next time. But over time, this stored data can become old or corrupted and start causing problems. Let's begin. Open Safari on your Mac. Now move to the top left corner of your screen and click Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the option called Show Features for Web Developers. Check that box. As soon as you enable it, a new menu called Develop will appear in the top menu bar near the top of your screen. You can now close the Settings window. Next, click Develop. From the drop-down list, choose Empty Caches. This will clear the temporary website files Safari has saved on your Mac. It can help solve slow browsing, broken page layouts, login issues, and websites that keep showing older content. Keep in mind, this does not delete your bookmarks, browsing history, or saved passwords. It only removes cached website data. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more simple Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now, if your main goal was to remove saved passwords from Safari, follow these steps. Click Safari in the top menu bar again and choose Settings. This time, open the Passwords tab. You may be asked to use Touch ID or enter your Mac password to continue. Once inside, you'll see a list of websites with saved login details. Select any website you no longer want stored. Then click Delete to remove that saved password. This is useful if you entered the wrong password before, changed your login recently, or no longer use that website. You can also use the search bar inside the Passwords section to quickly find a specific website. And that's it. You now know how to clear Safari cache to improve performance and how to remove saved passwords when needed. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.